Hello, I'm Anna from Astral Hygiene. I'm a director here and 50% of the husband and wife team that own and run this business here. I wanted to introduce you to Astral Hygiene because we've had a lot of new people who have subscribed to our mailing list and kind of give you a rundown of what we do, what makes us different and why you should work with us. So what we do, we are a hygiene and janitorial business primarily that has also branched out into PPE, workwear, embroidery, takeaway and all of that. So we really can be a one-stop shop for you all. We have been growing. We were created about 30 years ago by our parents, and we have been growing ever since. We've grown massively organically over the last 10 years, which we are so very grateful for. We are an employer in the Scottish Borders, and we have our own team here who will service your account, take your orders, wrap your internet goods for you and deliver your goods locally. We deliver every single item locally ourselves with our own fleet. And so everything that you order from us will come to you in perfect condition. If it doesn't, just give us a call and we'll obviously rectify that. We are family owned and run. Myself and my husband are in here 5 days a week to deliver to every customer. We have grown because we are passionate about customers and making sure that every customer interaction that we have is a great experience. We are royally appointed, so we have just been awarded our second Royal Warrant. So we had the Queen's and we've now been awarded the King's, and that is testament to our sustainable way in which we source our products, the great customer service that we offer, the fantastic account management that you can enjoy. So all of these things have contributed to us getting a Royal Warrant. We've also worked with the palaces for over 10 years. So that's a real indication of how once we gain relationships, we can endure them and allow them to endure and grow and evolve with us. We're constantly evolving, so we're always looking for new products, the next big thing, things that we can give that really adds value to the customer, but also makes us different, makes you choose us. So instead of being a large corporation that is entirely faceless, you know, we have the family running the business, which makes a huge difference. We are passionate about our business. You know, it is a family business. It's a legacy. It's a legacy that we really want to build on and that we are so hugely proud of. We are ethical and sustainable, and we have an ethical management team, so which is hugely important to us. So as an organisation, you can have our vehicles with the Royal Warrant coming in and out of your building, delivering your goods free. You can have a relationship with us where we put the customer at the heart of everything that we do, making us absolutely different. And you can enjoy working with a company that has a face, that have people behind it, rather than a large corporate. So that's us. If you'd like to get in touch, use the link below. Thank you.